Okay, can you all see my share? And computer told you
And
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. um, Karina Sartida Pata Malpara IG Thanksgiving Rajir Datra. We could not do the last week's class because of the Thanksgiving holidays. Many kids, parents, they were on vacation, then on party and all. So we could not do that. So we will be adjusting that class. The overall class number will not change. Okay, so we will try to fit within the time we have scheduled. Okay, so yeah, today's class number 4, and today's topic is human body parts. Inita Pata the Sankhya 4, the class number 4, and topic Inita Vishaya Manushana Dehada Bagul, human body parts. So, so far we were covering mostly conversational things at home, within the family, and basically within the relatives, etc. So that you can talk, you can do the conversation with the family members. Okay, you can all hear me, right?
yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, you can hear right. I just want to make sure. Okay. Can Niklag Materla Yan Paterna Kenundate?
Enundu, sir.
And okay. Okay, and Kenund. Okay. Great. Okay. Inita Patada Vishaya Manushana Dehada Bagul. Illadu ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾತ್ಯರ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹೊರತು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನಲ್ homework you have done and awesome and ಮಾತೆರ್ಲ ಬಾರ್ ಲಾಯ್ಕ್ ಮಲ್ತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಾರು so in unen pore illad practice mal play please try this at home and whenever you get a time like while driving to school or coming from school driving to an activity ponagincha just practice mal play at least the words will remember you'll remember the words and then you can continue from there. Okay. So, okay, yeah. Today's class is about human body parts, so that we can identify human body parts and involve the sentences using body parts, and because that is the main the main parts of our conversation. This class is the conversation and make you comfortable to talk within the family or the friends, grandparents, and etc. and know how to talk in Tulu. Okay. This is our aim. And some people ask some questions about like deeper grammar related. We will also plan a class, maybe advanced level, where we'll cover grammar. Like some of the cases, right? Here we give a sentence in English and they will give its translation in Tulu. Most of the cases, they are not word by word translation. It is the sentence is translated and there are many prepositions, then conjunctions joined. So we can have a separate advanced class where all these we can learn grammatically. If this is the case, then this is what comes, those kind of things. Okay, so let's continue in today's class. So these are the class information. You already know all those things. And if you need any previous class recordings, that is there in our WhatsApp groups group description. Okay, and you can go to the group description and you can look for all these video recordings, class material, as well as meeting details. Okay, and this is our awesome team. Gurukul Nakulu. So there was a question about that Guru and using Gurukul Nakulu. So basically in Tulu and all Indic languages, like there is a special case of use case of with respect. That is, you're giving respect to some of the peoples like elders, teachers, then like honorable people, those kind of things. So here, these are Gurukul Nakulu. Okay. Okay. Then this is our syllabus, and today's class is human body. And next we'll have numbers. Then daily use household things. Then we have a Christmas break. Then we have 2 more classes about conversation in the market and school. Okay. Okay. Today's class will have like a review of the previous class, then know your history, a small bit about the history and human body parts and homework. Okay. Just information about homework. Okay. And we also would like to announce AATA B competition. I think if you have not signed up yet, please sign up. So this is happening next Sunday. And there are 3 categories: elementary, middle school, and high school. And this is an opportunity to show your talent. And anybody can participate. Elementary, middle, and high school. And if you know any of your friends, please request them to join this. This is a good opportunity to expose yourself and know yourself. And this is an online quiz, and you need not be worried about anything. Just participate and try to test your knowledge, okay, or gain knowledge.
Bhaskar, it's in English, right? The test?
Yeah.
This is in English.
This is in English, okay. And also, I'll just to give some little more information. We will have a practice quiz for 5 minutes before starting the actual quiz. So all the details will come by tomorrow or so. Those who signed up, please sign up for this. And it will be in English, and subject will be science, maths, sports, history, and general knowledge. Okay.
Wait,
Yeah. Is there any question?
yes. What time? Like, what's the last day of sign up, and what's like the page you have to go to sign up for the RTB?
Oh, you don't know those kind of things. Okay. Okay. The last date is you can sign up until 12/11.
Okay.
12/11.
December 11. December 11.
Yeah, December 11. Okay, sorry. Yeah,
Okay.
12/11. And I will share the link in the our this thing homework
Yeah.
group. Okay, so that you can after the class we'll share. Okay, or but or any of you have the link, you can just share it in the WhatsApp group.
15th o'clock.
Let me check.
High school.
Yeah.
Can you take this like online quiz any day, any like all Sunday?
No. This will happen. This is live quiz, and it happens only on coming Sunday.
So like what time does it start?
Yeah, it started 12:30. 12:30 p.m. Yeah, after
US
this class. Yeah, 12:30 p.m. Eastern. That will be like 8:30 in.
No.
Huh?
12:30
Yeah.
is 10 o'clock, right? 10 p.m.
No.
in India.
Yeah, India it will be
10 p.m.
12:30 p.m. Yeah, it will be 11, I think, India, right?
No, 10. So 12:31, yeah, 10. Yeah, 11.
It's 11 now. Okay, India. But yeah, this is open to only to US and Canada kids. So only here. But yeah, it is 12:30 p.m. Like after our this class 11 to 12, we have our class or this Tulu class, and 30 minutes after that. Okay, just for the reference. So 12:30 it will be from elementary school, then 1:30 it will be middle school, and 2:30 it will be for the high school.
So 12:30, Bhaskar, just to confirm that 12:30 Eastern time, which right, it will start at Eastern time 12:30.
Correct. Yeah, 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. That will
So
be.
you said it's only for US. Are you restricting to only US, or anybody can apply, but it's too late for India? Like
No. This is only for the AATA jurisdiction, US and Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a plan to do for international, but it will take some more logistics. So it will not happen this time. Okay. Yeah, it'll be 9:30 a.m. Pacific, California time. Okay. West Coast.
Got it. Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Um, okay. Let's review the previous class. So in the last class, we had a class about family members. Okay. Let me go over this thing, the slides quickly, just to catch you up. Okay.
Just one thing, Bhaskar, I just posted the quiz sign up link on the chat.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, please. You can click on that and do that, or we will share it again in the our WhatsApp group also. Okay. Okay. So last class we talked about heads of the family members, and heads of the family are dad and mom. We call dad or mom, right? And the father and mother. Okay, that's the head of the family. And in Tulu, we call it as dad calls appa or papa, amma. There's just amma. Then father is amme, mother is appe. Okay, these are all you studied, and probably this is the more relevant. Like most of you, the kids are joining here. So daughter and son. If it's a boy, it's a son, and if it's a girl, then it's a daughter. And daughter is called magal, and son is called mage. And let's focus on the kids, and then we'll build the relationship from them, like son, daughter, dad, mom. Okay, so who are the grandparents? Grandparents are, they are, if you are a kid, your dad's mom and dad, your mom's mom and dad. Okay, so they're grandparents, and for them you are grandkids. Okay, and you call grandparents, either it is mom's mom or dad's dad, as Ajji or Dodda, and grandfather is Ajir. Okay, and some people also call Nana, and also with the different names, but mostly this is what used. Okay, so for example, now we are students or a kid. We mentioned that you're a girl and boy, and you grew up, you got married, and you have kids. Then your kids become grandkids to your dad and mom. Okay, and they're called a granddaughter and grandson. And if you're a boy, and then it's the same grandson and granddaughter. Okay, and grandkids are called as pulli, either boy or girl. Okay, and sometimes, no, right? Pulli will be also called as, while talking, it's may an pulli or pon pulli. Okay, it's okay. Then these kids, what is the relationship to to your grandparents? They became great grandkids. Okay, for them, and they are the great grandparents for these kids. Okay, so then we call them as Pidgey and Pidger, the grandmother, both side, mother side or the father side. Okay, and you have more, like, in there can be parallel, like more cousin, your grandmother's cousin become also Ajji, Ajir, like that. Okay, okay, that's it. And let's try some exercises now, just to practice what you studied last time. Okay, I will stop sharing now, and we'll just make some sentences here. Okay, let's see, just to understand, just to see how we understood the relationships. Okay, let's start. Like, who wants to start? Let's start with Vihan. Okay, Vihan. Like, can you introduce your grandma?
How will you say Vaishnavi?
How will you say?
You tell me.
My grandmother's name is.
Yeah, my grandmom's name is. Vihan, you are muted.
Oh,
You're
sorry.
muted.
I didn't realize. My bad. So my grandpa's name is jeez. Oh, that's
Okay.
bad. I think yeah. Sorry. My grandpa's name is Ashok. My grandma's name is Usha.
Yeah, can you say it in Tulu? That's
All right.
okay. Yeah.
And wait, how do you say grandma?
Grandma. Who can say? Okay. Aji. Okay. Yeah.
Inna Ajina Pudar Usha. Inna
Uh-huh.
Ajirna Pudar Ashok.
Okay. Thank you. Good. Great. Okay. But who can? Okay. Now, Akshaj. Akshaj, can you introduce your father's brother? Say father's younger brother. What do you, Akshay, you're muted, okay? So, do you know how do you call your father's younger brother? Akshay, you're muted.
Yanna Chikkappa Pudara Shiva Prasada.
Awesome.
Chikkapana.
Okay. Chikkappa na. There is a preposition. Okay. Chikkappa na. Pudar. Okay. Great. Okay. Let's say next we'll see Avni. Avni, can you unmute? Okay. And yeah. So, what did you have for breakfast? Eat breakfast. Can you say in Tulu? You can say in English first, then you can say in Tulu.
I ate egg for breakfast.
Okay. Tulu to, how do you translate that in Tulu?
Yan egg tinde tindiga.
Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Great. Okay. So it's not wrong to say that. You can say Yanu Tindigu egg tinde. Okay. So yeah, whenever you practice this thing, like some of the you may not know the exact meaning of the word. Okay, say she is smart egg. She didn't think that egg ancient but yeah, in case that's the first thing you have to do. Start conversation, and if you don't remember any of this thing, use English word. That's fine. But then next you like learn that, and then after that you can use the real Tulu words. Okay,
Yeah.
egg
What?
Tettivan peru Tattivan Tetti. Okay. Okay.
I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
Bhaskar, and I have a small doubt. I'm
Yeah.
Satish here. So,
Yeah.
Tinde in Kannada, it is Tinde in Kannada. It's same in Tulu also, is it? Yan Tinde.
Yeah. Nanu tinde, yanla tinde. Yeah, exactly. Same.
Same,
Nanu,
but
Nanu tindi tinde, yan tindi tinde. But ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದೆ ಅವಳು ತುಳುದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದೆ
Tinde.
ತಿಂದೆ ಸೊ that's the one difference. Okay.
For meal is different. Onas. Uta.
Uta panda breakfast kla uta panparaga apunda.
Uta panda onas lunch.
Lunch and
lunch
or dinner.
Meal is onas.
onas. Yeah.
So
Tindi is tindi. Breakfast is tindi.
Tindi is tindi.
Same word as Kannada, tindi.
Yeah, yes. Most of them are the same, but only one difference is some of things, right? The a sound that is unique to Tulu. Tindi tinde means it's used with myself. Tindi tinde means, say, I can say, Sarita, Jagdeesh tindi tinde. That means he ate tinde. But when it's for me, yan tindi tinde. So we use that A and E, that sound, right?
In Kannada, it is Jagadish Tindi Tinda or Tindaru.
Tinder.
Tin-
Tinder.
So
Tinder also, you can say Tinder.
Tinder is good. Yeah, that is with respect.
Tinder is good.
Jagdish Tindi Tinder.
Jagdish Tindi Tindera. That is with the respect. Yeah.
Tindaru is Tindera. Tinda means Tinde.
Yeah.
Tinda.
And also,
Yeah,
see,
okay.
one more thing, like Jagdish Tindi Tinderu. That is one sentence.
Past tense.
Jagdish Bokka Prabhakar Tindi Tinderu. So now there are two. It's plural.
Right.
But it is Tinderu. But
Tinderu.
when you see Jagdish Tindi Tinderu, it is with respect.
Respect. Yeah.
So Jagdish Tindi Tinde means he ate.
Yeah.
That means it's like our Tinda.
Yeah. For a young boy or someone.
Young boy, or it's like generally younger boy, you say like that. That. Okay.
Tinda. Thank you.
So maybe it's boring to Anushka. So Anushka, can you unmute? Yeah. Anushka, can you say what did you eat for dinner yesterday? You can say anything, but the sentence should be.
First say in English, then you can translate.
Yeah, you can say in English and then you can. It's easy to translate then.
Chicken yesterday for dinner.
Okay. In Tulu, how can you say that?
Yan.
Ode. Chicken. Kori. Chicken. Okay.
Tinde.
Tinde. Okay. Awesome. Great. Okay. Cool. Okay. Next, let's see. Abai.
Unmute, yeah.
Abai. Okay. Abai, what is your favorite hindi? What is your favorite breakfast?
Ganjuta.
Huh?
Ganjuta.
Yeah, you can say in English first, then you can translate. Okay.
Hey, how do you say favorite?
Favorite?
Ishtada.
Who can say
Ishtada.
favorite? Okay. Let us ask somebody. Okay. You already told. Ishtada. Ishta is.
Yan ishtada veligitindi Ganjuta.
Ganjuta. Okay. So yanati enna. Enna. In this case, you have to say enna. Enna means my. Okay. Enna ishtada tindi ganjuta. Okay. That's a thing. Okay. So okay, who wants to say something they did last week themselves? Arka, can you say, Arka, what did you do something special last week? You can say whatever you did.
Yan.
You can say in English first, then you can translate. It'll be easier, okay?
Yan concert performance pote.
Okay, awesome. Okay, Okay, yeah, concert performance pote. Okay, awesome. Okay, the new words. Concert is
Last week is
Sangeeta.
Kariwara.
Karina
Last week.
Vara. Okay. Okay. So okay, who wants to talk now? Shamita? Okay. So what homework you had yesterday?
In Tulu or like
Yeah, say in English and then Tulu.
Okay. Wait, I don't really know how to say it in like
You say in English, then let's translate that. Okay?
Last week we had conversational homework.
Okay. Last enja panpuntu Poina vara. Poina vara. Okay.
Poinavara homework.
Homework. Okay. Let's see who can say homework. Let's say who.
Bale.
Duty.
Bale.
Illabelle. Okay. See, so many people know that it's Illabelle. Okay.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. Poinavara or Karinavara.
Karinavara.
Which homework you did?
The conversational one, like.
Okay. Karinavara. Tulu illabelle malte. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll continue. Okay, we can say both, right? Karinavara, Poivara. Yeah, you can say both. Yes, both are correct. Yeah. Okay, so we will stop the conversation here because 30 minutes generally, like if anybody wants to talk, then please raise your hand. Okay,
Bhaskar and I have a doubt. Bhaskar and I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Last week or before last week, you had asked some bonus question. In that, you asked for the other word for niece and nephew, that is Marmaya and Marmal. Marmaya could find out by from some Tulu speaking people. Arvate, Marmaya.
Correct.
Marmal I couldn't get, but I couldn't get till now. So I don't know what is the other word for Marmal.
Okay.
Arvati.
Arvatindiji, but the question was intended, but this is a good finding. Okay, the question was intended to find out mommy, other relation we asked. So Akkana Magal is like
that is another day. You asked how what are the different.
Yeah. Okay.
You can call for whom all like that.
Yeah. Correct.
This Arvate and Marmal, I don't know another word for Marmal. Marmaye, another word for
Arvate. I think we posted.
Marmaya is Arvate, correct? Marmal only they call.
It's Marmal. Yeah, there is no other word. It's only for Marmaye. That was yeah.
Arvate ಅಂಚದಾಲ ಪನ್ಪುಜೇರು ಅರುವದಿ ಪನ್ಪೇರು
Okay.
ಎನ್ನ ಅರುವದಿ ಆಲು ಪನ್ಪೇರು
Anand. Yeah. Okay. Then there was anybody question on the hand. Anybody wants to? Okay, from Bhumi. Daughter-in-law is referred as Marmal, right? Yes. Daughter-in-law is Marmal. Okay. Okay. Then. Okay. Yeah. Let's
time and class start
Yeah. 30 minutes we'll be talking on the next class and 30 minutes to just review and other things. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me share. Okay. Today's class. Okay. Okay. This is from last time. Okay, so we always cover a small bit of our history, that know your history about Tulu Nadu. Okay, so in this class we are talking about a very, very special person. The Tulu Nadu queen who defeated the Portuguese. Do you know who is this? And anyone, any guess?
Rani Abbakka Devi.
Awesome. Yes. Okay. So now let's see. Rani Abbakka Devi. Okay. She's one of the many brave queens who fought against the invaders, British, Portuguese, and all other Western powers. Okay, so Rani Abbakka, let's see a few things about her. Okay, Rani Abbakka was the first Tuluva queen of Ullal who fought Portuguese in later half of 16th century. Okay, so Portuguese came to Goa first, and then after Vasco da Gama, who found the sea route to India, so they came to Goa, and then they started moving southwards. So, and they conquered all the small, countries in India. So, in the Indian continent. Okay. So, she belonged to Chauta dynasty, who ruled over the parts of coastal Karnataka, basically in Tulu Nadu. And she belongs to Chauta dynasty, and she was the queen of Ullal, but she was born in Mudubidri. Okay, the Chauta in Mudubidri. Okay, and Portuguese made several attempts to capture Ullal, but she kept them away for 40 years. Okay, so when you go to Tulu Nadu or during vacation this time, go to Ullal and just see the place. And there is also a beautiful museum in her name, Abbakarani Museum, that has a great collection of Tulu Nadu artifacts, Tulu Nadu history related things. Okay, you try to visit that also. Okay, so today's class is about human body parts. Okay, so first let's start with the gender. Okay, let's start with the kids. Okay, so a boy is called An. Okay, all the aunts. Can you say An here? All the boys.
On.
An. Okay, An. Okay, so now all the girls. Can you say An?
On.
An is boy. Okay, say boy. Okay, so then how will you call girl?
Ponnu.
Ponnu. Okay, in Tulu it's called Ponnu. Ponnu, you say Ponnu also, it's not wrong. Okay, it's Anu, Ponnu. Okay, so we have a lot of this these kind of words, like it's Ponnu ending with it's not ending with consonants. Okay, so girl is Ponnu. Okay, boys An. Okay, so now how do you call adults? You call a person, a man. Say, for example, your dad, your grandfather, granddad. How do you call? How do you call mom? A woman. Okay. So man is called Anju. Okay. Anju. An, you say An is, you said boy, right? Anju is man. And similarly, Pon is, woman is Ponju. Okay, while writing, you can write as Ponju, people call this Ponju also. It's basically Ponju, Ponju, Anju, Anju. Okay, Anu, Ponnu, Anju, Ponju. Okay. Okay, all men are called Anju, all women are called Ponju. Okay. Okay, now let's see the body parts. Okay. So, where do you think? Head, right? You have brain inside the head and you think you're in the head, right? Head is called Monday.
Monday.
Okay. Can you all say Monday? Touch your head and say Monday.
Monday.
Monday. Touch your head so that you will not forget. Head is Monday.
Monday.
Okay.
Monday.
Easy
Okay,
way
you
to
can say,
remember is after Sunday, Monday. So we can
yeah.
say.
So you can use that, but yeah, don't confuse with the yeah, it's a but the important part of human body is Monday, where you think, right? Monday. Okay, it's head. Okay. So it's the same whether it is boy's head or girl's head, Anjo head or Ponjo head, like
You
they're
can
all
also
head.
say
Okay.
tare, right? Tare.
Thara actually it's
It's
used
for
for the
hair.
different context. Sometimes it's for the kujal. Hair is called thara, but sometimes yeah, that's also thara is also used because it's like synonym. It's not exactly the same. In the literature, they also use thara, like thara samaiji, Monday samaiji. So that's also they say some of the words. That means like and a tharak potundu. That means it has gone to the top of his head.
Head weight, yeah.
Yeah, head weight, like that. So it's used as a thare also. That's also a good point. But Monday is the common used. The same.
Monday becha.
Monday
Monday
becha.
becha. Headache.
Yeah.
Headache.
Headache. Yeah. Okay. So next is your beautiful face. How do you call the face?
Monet.
Monet. It's called Monet. Okay, here we have the what is that? The names in English, then in the Roman Lipi, so that you can represent all the sounds. Then you have in Kannada Lipi, and then you have in Tulu Lipi. So I'm sure at least you know one of them or two of them. You should know. I think most of you know at least two of them in English and Roman that were written, and Monday that's in the Kannada script, but the Tulu words, and then Tulu in Tulu Lipi. Okay, face. Okay, and next, where your head rests, Nikalna Monday Volu Ippunu. Where does the head rest? It rests on neck, right? Neck. Can you touch your neck and touch your neck? Neck is called kekil. Can you all say kekil?
Kekil.
Kekil. Yeah. Sometimes while talking, right, people say kekil. They stress the key also. Okay. So that is also okay. And some of these things, right, because in Tulu, we have very little written literature things. So generally, we learn our language from our parents or the neighbors or the friends. So we follow what they talk. So sometimes that variation will be there, but it's not wrong to say kikil or kekil. Okay, both are correct. Okay, neck. Okay, so you can turn your kekil what 180-degree, right? Yeah, one end to other end. But there are some birds they can twist 360 degrees. So their kekil is like a wheel. Okay, so our neck is we can turn left and right, up, down, those kind of things. Okay, and next is chest. Chest is called tigale. Okay, can you all touch your chest and say tigale? Touch your chest and say tigale. Tigale is chest. Okay,
Tigale.
Tigale.
tigale. Yeah, can you all say all tigale?
Tigale.
Tigale. Okay, tigale. Yeah, we will be doing homework. We will be using these words in our homework. Okay, it's tigale. Okay,
Tigale also means you meet me or it's not?
tikkule. That
Tikkale.
is
Okay. Sorry.
tikkule. Yeah,
Tikkale.
yeah, it's very,
Sorry.
yeah, very good comparison. Yeah, sometimes you think that the words are similar, but sometimes meaning may be different. Yeah, tigale, just. I bari tigale dae. So that means they say in Tulu, he is very like brave. So that in that case also, like they use tigale. I bari tigale dae. Like he's very brave, like that. Okay, tigale means another meaning also brave also, but because
Hold the chest high. Hold the
Yeah.
chest. That's what
Yeah.
the prayer.
Yeah. Okay. So next, you all know, how do you eat?
Kai.
Kai, hand. Okay. Kai. Can you all say Kai?
Kai.
Okay. Can you all clap and say Kai?
Kai.
Kai.
Okay. Kai. Okay. So we'll see later. Like you have two hands, right? Left hand and right hand. Yada kai, bukka balagai. Okay. Okay. Yada is left, bala is right. Okay. Kai. Okay. Next, where you eat so many, like we did so many conversational homework last time, like that is my Easter tindi, this is my Easter tindi, and we had badane, kajipu, and we also ate ice cream after the dinner in the homework, right? So
They
where
all
does
go
all this
here.
go? Where does this go?
Bungee.
It goes to stomach, right? Yeah, stomach is called bungee. Bungee. Yeah. Can you all say bungee? Touch your bungee and say bungee.
Bungee.
Bungee. I think you all have something in your bungee. What you had for your breakfast, right? Anvi has tetti, egg, right? She had, right? Somebody had nirdosa, I think, or somebody had bread. So all those goes into bungee. Okay.
ഞാൻ
It's in
തിന്റെ ഓടേക്ക് പോണ്ട് ബഞ്ചിക്ക് പോണ്ട്
bungee. It stays in the bunch. Yeah. So when you say I'm hungry, what you're saying, you're touching your tummy. It's called bungee. Ink bungee badaplu. So you can say like that. Bungee is stomach. Okay. Next, back. Back is berry. Okay. Can you all say berry? Can you touch your back and say berry?
Very.
Berry. Okay. So berry. So when we were kids, they used to get scolded like Bale malchijada berik burundu. Okay. So homework illa bele malchijada berik burundu. Okay. So like that. Berry means back. Okay.
Parents will say berik raddu korve.
And berik red korbe. Berry is the one place that easily can hit. Okay, it is illegal now. We cannot do that, but it is in India still it's used some places. Okay. So then next, waist. So you wear the different clothes like pant or skirts or sari or those kind of things, right? So it resides on waist, and the waist size is very, very important. So to hold that, okay, and waist is called sonta. Can you all say sonta? Sonta. Can you touch your sonta with both hands and this thing? You can twist your to dance. To do any kind of dance, you have to twist your waist. That is sonta. Sonta tirigavadu dance malpunu. Okay? Sonta. Okay? Next, how do you walk? You walk with leg, right? Leg is called car. Okay? Okay? Don't confuse with the car, the vehicle car. Okay? Maybe our car used because of our Tulu word car. Car is used for moving, and the automobile car or the vehicle car is also used for moving. But our car, Tulu car, is like 2,000-year-old word, right? So car came in some 17th century or so 18th century. So we have that word since long time. Okay, leg is car. Okay, can you all say car?
Car.
Okay, car.
Kannada
Now
is
we have
Kalu. In Kannada is Kalu. Here is car.
Yeah. So now whenever you sit in the car, just remember you have two cars. You have two legs. Okay. Remember that. To get into car, vehicle car, you need your car. In Tulu, it is called car. Car is leg. Okay. 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 Can you all start again from the beginning? Head. Head is called
Monday.
Monday.
face.
Monday.
Morning.
Neck.
Kill.
Kill. Chest.
Tigale.
Tigale. Awesome. Hand.
Kai.
Stomach.
Banji.
Banji. Back.
Berry.
Sonta.
Waist.
Sonta.
Car.
Leg.
Car.
Awesome. Awesome. I hope you all understood this one. Okay. Now let's try making some sentence. Okay. From what we learned. Sorry. So see, I have a sentence in English. Tiger Wood has cap on his head. Okay. So you all know Tiger Wood, right? So if you go to Florida, you meet our president Shreevalli, and also you can meet our US President Donald Trump, and also you can meet Tiger Wood. I think he's also living there, and there are a lot of golf courses in Florida. So Tiger Wood has cap on his head. Okay. So how do you call head?
Monday.
Okay. So let me give some of the words that you can use. Head. Head is Monday. Okay. Cap is called topi. Okay. On means myth. Okay. Can you make a sentence with this? You have head. Tiger Wood has cap on his head. Okay. So Tiger Wood.
Monday myth.
Cap undu. Cap is topi. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Good at that. Okay. So basically, Tiger Wood na Monday the myth topi undu. Okay. So Monday is head. Monday the means on head. Okay. Okay. So okay. Now that cap is on your head. How do you say that? I have a cap on my head.
Enna mandena mittu toppi undu.
Awesome.
Correct.
Awesome. Okay. So enna is mine or mine based on the context. Okay. Enna Monday the myth toppi undu. Perfect. Okay. You all got it right?
Yes.
Okay. So next, body parts. We talked about head, right? So head is a major part, but it's not just, it has, there's so many important parts on head, right? Okay, let's see what is that one by one. So yeah, our teacher Prabhakara said about thare, right? Thare is also is called as hair. Hair is called as kujal. It's also called as thare. Okay. Okay, kujal. So boys will have short hair and girls will generally have long hair. Okay. This is hair. Okay. So then forehead. Forehead is called munda. Okay. Okay. So where does your mom keep her bindi? Bottu. Munda. Okay. Forehead is munda. Okay. And eyebrows are called as kurbu. Okay. Can you all say kurbu?
Kurbu.
Kurbu. Kurbu. Okay. Then yeah. Is that a question?
Reppe.
Okay. Eyelid is called reppe. Kannu reppe ondanondu marayude. So eyelids cannot forget it themselves. Okay, because they're all I'll be like flapping, right? Kannu reppe. Eyelid. Okay. And this is I is called kannu. 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 I see through kannu. Yan kannudu tupe. Okay. Yeah, kannu. Okay. Adukka ear. Ear is kebi.
Kebbi.
Kebi. Okay. Okay. Then how do you smell? So if mom makes nirduse or some paisa or some chicken, then how do you smell?
Munku.
Through your nose, right? Yeah. Nose is called munku. Okay. Okay. Then tooth. It's called kuli. Kuli. Okay. Can you all say kuli?
Kuli.
Okay, kuli. Okay. Then cheek is called keppe.
Keppe.
Keppe. Okay. Yeah. If you have seen some Tulu movies, I keppe garadu budpe. So some in the fight scene, right? So keppe
That's for
means
slapping. Yeah.
yeah, like that. Okay.
Keppegadipe.
So the bad words, bad sentences we learn easy. That's how we learn
Yeah.
the languages.
That was my introduction to Tulu.
Keppe terga means turn your cheek by force.
Yeah, keppe, cheek. Okay. Then bai. How do you eat? Bai. Mouth is bai. Okay. Bai. Then how do you taste?
Nalai.
Tongue. That is nalai. Okay. Nalai. Then chin is gadda.
Gadda.
Gadda. Okay. So there is another meaning. The gadda, the hair that grows on the chin is also called gadda. Okay. Beard. Okay. Gadda. Okay. So let us start one by one. So forehead. So start with the hair. Hair is called
Kujal.
Yeah. Can you all say kujal? Yeah.
Kujal.
Yeah. All. Yeah. Yeah. You for forehead. How do you call?
Munda.
Munda. Eyebrow.
Bhaskar uncle?
Kurbu.
Kurbu. I thought the Gedde Panda, it's like beard slash like mustache. So like what is beard?
Beard is gadda.
Yeah.
It grows on gadda.
Huh? Gadda is see chin is gadda.
Yeah.
And the hair, the beard is also gadda. The beard is basically the hair grown out chin. Okay. On the face.
Sorry. Bhaskarana. Gedda is different. Gedda is different than gadda. Okay.
Yeah. I
Gedda
think
is a tumor. Gedda. That is totally different than gadda. I heard he is saying gedda.
Yeah. What is the question?
Wait, because mostly I thought gadda means both beard and chin,
Yes,
right?
correct.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Basically, yeah, I think it might have come from gadda. It's used in Kannada also as gadda because it grows over the chin. Okay.
In Kannada also gadda means they say for the beard and
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So we were when we were looking at eyes, then we heard something else. Okay, in the kebi. Okay. Now eyelid.
Reppe.
Eye. Ear. Kebi. Nose. Munku. Tooth.
Kuli.
Cheek.
Keppe.
Mouth.
Bai.
Eye. Tongue,
Nalai.
Nalai. Chin,
Gadda.
Gadda. Okay, awesome. Okay. And we forgot about
Tooth
the
is
lid.
sorry. Tooth is coolie, not coolie.
Yeah, coolie. Yeah, it's a long vowel. Okay. Lip is called bimma. Bimma. Okay. Okay. So let's try making a sentence. Okay. What are these? What do you see here on the screen? Kannu. Okay. So let's say I have two beautiful eyes. How do you say? Okay. Let me give the hint. Okay. Eyes are Porluda Kannulu. Awesome. Okay. I have two beautiful eyes. So it is Enku Raddu Porluda Kannulu Ulla.
Porluda Kannulu Ulla.
Okay. Okay. Porluda Kannulu Ulla. Okay. Cool. Okay. Let's quickly go to, we have two more things to do. A few more minutes. Okay. Hand and then we have leg. Okay. So we talked about, first we went to the entire body, then we went to the head, and now let's see the parts in our hand. Okay. So shoulder is called pugel or buja.
Pugel.
Okay. Pugel. Okay. And the arm is called kadekai. Okay. So kai is the hand, right? Entire kai. So we have different parts. Kadekai is arm. Okay. Arm is called kadekai. And then elbow. Elbow is called murangai. Yeah. So if you say like in your grandma or somebody at home, and would murangai guy and something like they talk. Murangai means when you fall. Generally, that is the poor murangai gets hit when you fall.
It is like forearm.
Yeah. Okay. Then elbow. Then lower arm is called kodikai. So this is called kadekai. That kade means end. Kodi means forward, front. Okay. It's lower arm. It's called kodikai. And then wrist. Wrist is called manigant. Okay. So twist. You need money. You twist your wrist. That's called wrist is manigant. Can you say manigant?
Maniganta.
Okay. Yeah. Then okay. Palm is called angai. Angai. The front side is called angai, and back side is also called palm in English, but it's called that. Both are used. Angai at the that back side is called that. Okay. Then you have the fingers. The thumb is called komba birel. Okay, birel means finger, and for every finger there is a name. Okay, thumb is called komba birel. Can you say komba birel?
Komba birel.
Komba birel. Okay. Then index finger is called tojauna birel. Index is tojaun, pointing finger. Okay.
Tojauna birel.
Tojauna. Toja means show. Okay. Tojauna birel. Okay. Then middle finger, famous finger, is called nadu birel.
Nadu birel.
Nadu means middle. Okay. Okay. Then where do you put the ring? In ring finger, right?
Ungila birel.
Ungila birel. Ungila is ring in Tulu. Okay. Okay.
In Kannada also ring. Called Pavitra Birel.
Yeah. Pavitra Birel. Yeah. Yeah, it's in Kannada, but in Tulu it's called Ungila birel. Okay. And the little finger is called
Kinya birel.
Kinya birel or Elya birel. Okay.
Elya birel.
Okay. So these are parts of hand. Okay. So we will not make okay, we'll make a sentence. This is interesting. Okay.
Bhaskar, we forgot one thing. I think nail.
Yeah, I have next in this one. Okay. Yeah, okay. This is nail also. Okay. Yeah, okay. So let's make a quick sentence. My dad has strong arm. Okay. So my is enna. Hand is what? Kai.
Kai.
Dad is papa. Then enna pappada gattida kai undu. Gatti means strong. Okay.
Enna pappada kai gatti undu.
Cut tune. That's also awesome. That's this. You can switch the words and this thing, because one problem with the English to any other Indic language is it is not the word to word translation. It is overall meaning translation. Okay, so the words will switch and we can use different equivalent words also. Okay, okay. So next, okay, nails are here. Let's see the leg quickly. Okay, so thigh is called potte.
Potte.
Potte. Can you all say potte?
Potte.
I hear only one word, one voice.
Potte.
Potte.
Okay, you also potte. Potte. And knee is called murampu.
Murampu.
Murampu. Okay. And foot is called pada.
Pada.
Okay. And toes are called birelulu. Toe, birel, toes, birelulu. Okay. While like in fast they say birelulu like that. So, okay. Then nail is uguru. Yeah.
Guru.
Uguru. Big toe is called komba birelu. So it's the same if you remember the fingers. So one common thing in Tulu is we call the fingers, the hand is called finger, and toes also equal as birel. Okay, birel is used for both. Okay? Toes also called birel. Okay, big toe is called komba birel. Index toe is called Tojauna birel.
My iPad for the mute for the whole time, so the teacher could not hear.
Middle toe is called Nadu birel. Yeah, somebody's talking there. Do you have any questions? Okay.
Because in ladies also sometimes put that ring on that. This one, that's
Yeah. That's why English.
Karunga.
Yeah, we have that also. Okay, it's Ungleberel, and then pink is called Kinyaberel. Same as fingers. Okay, so and the shin is called Kodikar here. Okay, I think somehow it was hiding somewhere. It did not come in order. Okay, anyway, so okay, so let's can you all repeat these ones? Thigh is called
Potte.
Knee
Murampu.
Shin
Kodikar.
Foot
Pada.
Toes
Birelu.
Nail Uguru. Big toe
Komba birel.
Index toe
Tojuna
birel. Middle toe
Nadu birel.
Ring toe
Ingila
birel. Okay. Pinky toe
birel.
Okay. I think we covered everything. Okay, so let's do one sentence here quickly. Okay.
The thing is, Noah's got rapport with our West Tennessee members than Chris does. But Chris,
okay. Let's say I walk on my feet.
Man, if we have
okay.
Chris, we'd be.
Leg is called pada. We already learned. Walking is called nadapu. Walk is called nadapunu. Okay. So the sentence, because we are running out of time, I'll just say that enna paadodu nadapuve.
Yan enna paadodu nadapuve.
Okay. Yan enna paadodu nadapuve. I walk on my feet. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will try to do one more sentence. Okay. My mom's nail color is red. It's dashing red. Okay, so Okay. So my is Enna. Name we already learned Uguru. Mom you already know Amma. Color is Vanna.
Uguru Banna.
Mana Uguruda color Uguruda Banna Kempu.
Kempu. Oh, awesome. Okay. So sentence is Enna Ammana Uguruda Banna
Kempu.
Kempu. Okay. Awesome. So I think that's another class. Okay. Okay. So we will have, okay, we'll share all those things just for in case if you need any additional information, we'll share that. Okay. That was really great class. So we will give assignments, homework based on body parts this week and continue to practice previous class. We will try to give some sentences, some homework on previous class also. We'll cover from 1 to 4. And next class we'll have numbers, I think. We'll start with the number and that we'll have numbers, then days, weeks, month, those kind of things in that. So that's another main thing that we need in our day-to-day activities. Okay. So any of you have any questions?
If it is possible, please give us some bonus questions so that we can learn more.
Awesome. Yeah. I know. Okay, sure. Yeah. Bonus questions like small kids, if they cannot do it, and that you can skip that. Yeah.
They can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Okay. Then yeah, in case if you need any. Yeah. Can you say that again?
No, so that we can learn extra words.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Good idea.
Yeah. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Anyone? Okay.
We like your enthusiasm.
Yeah. Thanks for joining. Thanks for parents to join and your interest. And we will also do some project like combined activity to show what we learned. Like we sang a song in previous class. Like we distributed a song, everybody sang that song and we compiled that and it was really nice. So I'll share that sometime later. We can do some activity like that. Okay.
You go through the handout a few times each class after the class, so you practice, then do the homework.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Americade onji tulukuta boditinde Americade onji tulukuta boditinde Akhila America Tuluvere Angana Americade onji tulukuta boditinde Americade onji tulukuta boditinde Akhila America